watch includes the following county: Litchfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New York: Columbia, Dutchess, Greene, Orange, Hudson, Sullivan, and Ulster. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 313 has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Litchfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New York: Columbia, Dutchess, Greene, Orange, Hudson, Sullivan, and Ulster. County, Litchfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New York: Columbia, Dutchess, Greene, Orange, Hudson, Sullivan, and Ulster. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, eastern Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, Putnam County in southeastern New York, Westchester County in southeastern New York, southeastern Orange County in southeastern New York until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ramsey to Bergen Field, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Norwood around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Yonkers, Muncie, Tappan and Pearl River around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Dobbs Ferry, Nanuet and Orangeburg around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Tarrytown, Nyack, New City, North Tarrytown, Scarsdale, Pomona and Upper Nyack around 4:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. White Plains, Haverstraw and Harrison around 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ossining and Hawthorne around 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Peekskill around 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mount Kisco around 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include West Haverstraw, Rockley, Pleasantville, Upper Saddle River, West Nyack, Haworth, Wyckoff, Spring Valley, Montvale, and Bogota. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Orange and Putnam, and Fairfield, Connecticut. And now
northeastern New Jersey, eastern Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, New York County in southeastern New York, southern Westchester County in southeastern New York, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Summit, moving east at 30 Union around 5:10 p.m. Elizabeth, Caldwell and Orange around 5:15 p.m. Newark around 5:20 p.m. Bayonne, Bluefield and Harrison around 5:25 p.m. Passaic, Lyndhurst and Kearney around 5:30 p.m. Jersey City, Rutherford, and Secaucus around 5:35 p.m. Hoboken, Hackensack, Union City, and Teterboro around 5:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Springfield, Montclair, Hillside, Livingston, Clifton, Bogota, Nutley, Elmwood Park, Berkeley Heights, and Cranford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Passaic, and Union, and the following counties in New York: Manhattan and Westchester. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a special marine warning for New York Harbor, Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles until 6 p.m. At 5:10 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Sandy Hook, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly high winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Jamaica Bay, Keensburg, Rockaway Inlet, Atlantic Highlands, East Bay, Jones Inlet, the Verrazano Narrows, Sandy Hook Bay, entrance to New York Harbor, Lower New York Harbor, Barnum Island, Upper New York Harbor, Island Park, Middle Bay, Raritan Bay, and South Amboy. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern New Jersey and southeastern New York. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following marine locations: New York Harbor and Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles. Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, northern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Rockland County in southeastern New York, Putnam County in southeastern New York, Westchester County in southeastern New York, eastern Orange County in southeastern New York, until 6 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wappingers Falls to near Upper Greenwood Lake, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Severe thunderstorms will be near New Bergen Gardnertown around 5:15 p.m. Ramsey and Suffolk around 5:30 p.m. Muncie in New York, Newark around 5:35 p.m. Nanuet, Pomona, and Pearl River around 5:40 p.m. New City around 5:45 p.m. Peekskill, Haverstraw, Nyack, New Fairfield, and Upper Nyack around 5:50 p.m. Ossining, Tarrytown, Sherman, and North Tarrytown around 5:55 p.m. Monte Kisco, Brookfield, Hawthorne, and Yorktown Heights around 6 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include West Haverstraw, Pleasantville, Upper Saddle River, West Nyack, Farmville, Highland Mills, Spring Valley, Montvale, Brewster Hill, and Fields. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen and Passaic, and the following counties in New York: Orange, Putnam,
Intelligence thunderstorms after midnight.
In southeastern New York until 6:45 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hawthorne or near Mount Kisco, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mount Kisco around 6:10 p.m. Greenwich around 6:20 p.m. Bedford around 6:30 p.m. Stamford and Darien around 6:35 p.m. New Canaan around 6:40 p.m. Norwalk, Westport, Wilton and Georgetown around 6:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Armonk, Pleasantville, Goldensbridge, Radbrook, Briarcliff Manor, Fordwood, Hartsdale, Elmsford, Greenville and Easton. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and Westchester, New York. For the following Suffolk County in southeastern New York until 7:45 p.m. At 6:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Center Moraches, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near West Hampton around 7 p.m. Riverhead around 7:05 p.m. Mattock around 7:15 p.m. Southampton and Shinnecock Hills around 7:20 p.m. Peconic around 7:25 p.m. Bridgehampton and Noyak around 7:30 p.m. Sag Harbor and Shelter Island around 7:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Aquabog, Cork, Laurel, Cutchogue, Flanders, Hampton Bays, Sound Avenue, North Haven, East Quogue and Jamesport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Suffolk, New York. New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. New York to Montauk Point, New York out 20 nautical miles. Peconic and Gardiner's Bays. South Shore Base from Jones Inlet through Shinnecock Bay until 8 p.m. At 6:53 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Moraches Bay, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gust 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft. craft could be damaged in briefly high winds and suddenly high waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Shinnecock Bay, Shinnecock Inlet and Great Peconic Bay around 7:15 p.m. Little Peconic Bay around 7:25 p.m. Shelter Island Sound around 7:30 p.m. Shelter Island around 7:35 p.m. Gardiner's Island around 7:50 p.m. Nappy Bay around 7:55 p.m. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following marine locations: Long Island South Shore base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York. Long Island Sound east of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York. Peconic and Gardiner's Bay, New York. And Morich's Inlet, New York to Montauk Point, New York out 20 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Upland, New York has issued a special marine warning for Fire Island Inlet, New York to Morich's Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Morich's Inlet, New York to Montauk Point, New York out 20 nautical miles. Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Morich's Inlet, New York to Montauk Point, New York from 20 to 40 nautical miles until 9:15 p.m. At 8:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing water spots was located 9 nautical miles north of buoy 44025, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, water spots and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, water spots can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly high winds and suddenly high waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following marine locations: Fire Island Inlet, New York to Morich's Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Morich's Inlet, New York to Montauk Point, New York out 20 nautical miles. And waters from Morich's Inlet, New York to Montauk Point, New York from 20 to 40 nautical miles. Eastern Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, southwestern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Britain, or near Caldwell, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near Fairfield around 8:40 p.m. Wayne and Caldwell around 8:45 p.m. Patterson, Bloomfield and Orange around 8:55 p.m. Passaic around 9 p.m. Lyndhurst, Rutherford and Harrison around 9:05 p.m. Hackensack, Kearney, and Peterborough around 9:10 p.m. Jersey City, Hoboken, Secaucus, Ridgefield, Union City, Fort Lee and Englewood around 9:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Glen Ridge, Montclair, North Arlington, Little Falls, Clifton, Bogota, Nutley, Elmwood Park, Maywood and East Newark. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, and Passaic. p.m. At 9:03 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 10 nautical miles southwest of New York Harbor, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly high winds and suddenly high waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Eastchester Bay around 9:35 p.m. Little Neck Bay and Saddle Rock around 9:40 p.m. Manhasset Bay, Baxter Estates, Execution Rocks and Mamaroneck Harbor around 9:45 p.m. Hempstead Harbor around 9:50 p.m. Oyster Bay Harbor and Cold Spring Harbor around 10 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern New York. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following marine location: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York. For the following
in New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
The National Weather Service in Upland, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Bronx County in southeastern New York, northwestern Nassau County in southeastern New York, New York County in southeastern New York, Queens County in southeastern New York, South Central Westchester County in southeastern New York, until 10 p.m. At 9:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hackensack, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near Fort Lee at Morningside Heights around 9:15 p.m. Harlem, Riverdale, and Central Park around 9:20 p.m. Yonkers, East Tremont, Mott Haven, and Dartmouth Cambridge around 9:25 p.m. LaGuardia Airport, Bronxville, Co-op City, and Cardinal Spellman HS around 9:30 p.m. New Rochelle, Frogs Neck Bridge, City Island, and Whitestone around 9:35 p.m. Bayside around 9:40 p.m. Great Neck, Sands Point, and Little Neck around 9:45 p.m. Glen Cove, Port Washington, and Manhasset around 9:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Thomaston, East Hills, Howard, East Williston, Mount Vernon, Washington Heights, Ericks, Bogota, Cresco, and Woodlawn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has produced quarter-size hail in Hackensack. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following county: Bergen, New Jersey, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Nassau, Manhattan, Queens, and Westchester. New York now 20 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Upland, New York has issued a special marine warning for New York Harbor until 11 p.m. At 9:55 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles southwest of New York Harbor to 6 nautical miles west of Upper New York Harbor, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly high winds and suddenly high waves. Strong strong thunderstorms will be near Upper New York Harbor and the Venezuelan on hours around 10:20 p.m. Jamaica Bay around 10:45 p.m. Repeating, a special